guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening this mystery fidget box. It's called Fidget Toys, and sorry about the noise because I'm watching Young Sheldon as well. So let's open it. So first we have this Pop-It bracelet. Thank you. Next we have this Pop-It bag. Next we have this infinity cube, a DNA ball, a marble mesh, Pop-It, a pop tube, a stress ball, well, basically, this thing that spins, I'm not really sure what it's called, this spike chain, this mini, monkey noodle, this acupressure ring, sorry, this Rubik's Cube. Let me just pause that. Okay, sorry about the noise. Next is this like zipper. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's like a zipper. Another marble mesh, a slinky, a Pop-It, another Pop-It, a Pop-It, and I don't really know what it's called. This thing that sticks, a mini monkey noodle, another mini monkey noodle, this thing, I'm not really sure what it's called, but you basically take out the thing, take out like these things or whatever, and then you have to try and put it back together. It's like kind of hard. So let me just put it back in. Also, the reason I'm not pausing this is because if I pause it, I'll lose all of this storage, like all of this. So, next we have this type of monkey noodle, this marble mesh, this Pop-It, and this slinky, this Pop-It, these two Pop-Its, this mochi, this steak thing, I don't really remember what it's called, this tiny monkey noodle, these two Pop-Its, these two tiny fidget spinners, this other sticky thing, a slinky, I'm not really sure what this is called, this mochi, this guy, another mochi, another one of the guys, another acupressure ring, and all of these, which I'm not really sure what they're called. So I'm just going to put it all back in, and I'm going to clean it in my next video. So bye guys, see you in the next video.